Hey shippers! Today I want to talk to you about websites and a disturbing trend that I've been seeing in a lot of my mastermind and business groups that I'm in. And that is the tendency to use your social media platform as your primary method of marketing your business. And I've talked about this before and the importance of owning your platforms, but I just want to give you an example of how this actually hurts your business. So I was on Instagram the other day and I saw a featured post from someone in a business that I could probably use in the next 6 months. And so I went to the post to get more information, and the only link available was to a personal Instagram profile that was locked, so I couldn't access it, and there was no website link to go to, and not even a Facebook page, which would have been a little bit better. And the problem is, a lot of you are working hard to grow your business and get more publicity and more exposure, but what are you going to do when you get it? If you're not ready, if you don't have somewhere to send people where they can get information, and if that's not a platform that you own, then you're wasting your efforts. When you get that big opportunity, when you get that featured guest blog post, that magazine article, that television interview, you're going to waste all that exposure because you don't have a way to leverage that attention and forge it into relationships. And when we're talking online marketing, relationships means getting the email address. So here's what you need to do. You need to have your own platform. And social media are great additions to those platforms, but you'll notice in most of my social media posts, I'm sending people back to my website where I can control all of the content and leverage it however I wish. So you need to get your own platform, and you need to be using that platform for lead generation so that you can build relationships with people in your target audience and get more business. And I have lots of other posts on how to do this and why you should do it and the different tools that you can use to do it. In fact, you can go to carveldigital.com/tools and you can sign up and download all the tools that I use to make my tech life easier. So that's what I have for you today. If you liked this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel or come on over to the blog to see more posts. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day.